Which one you prefer for your family? This is our disease-free healthy life. Water is the main source of all the major diseases causing. Now, water from the plastic water tanks are very hazardous. Plastic tanks in the bottle available in the market today are mostly manufactured from polyethylene, polypropylene, bisphenol, high-density polyethylene, polyethylene terephthalate, and cross-linked polyethylene or thermoplastic polymer, which have very well-known health risks for the end users. These chemicals start mixing with water when used for a long time and when these reservoirs are washed with the detergents. Leaching also happens when these are exposed to UV rays, high temperature as well as from natural breakdown. When the plastic water tanks are exposed to strong heat, especially in the long summer months, when the mercury rises about 40 degrees Celsius, the chemical starts to melt down and mixes with water. These plastics are also known to alter the physical properties of the water despite the manufacturers claim that these alterations despite with time. Thirsty to have pure water throughout your life? Then switch over from the hazardous plastic water tank water to the UV resistant, weather resistant, strong and long life, 100% eco-friendly, recyclable, assured quality, temperature balance, zero maintenance, germ-free water from the quality Geco tanks. Call 7200 22274 for all your water delivery needs.